Because it was on Christmas Eve, the traffic jam was very serious. The driver sent us to the destination very responsibly at 11 p.m., and I always care about our physical condition along the way, giving the driver 100 points. I will definitely buy back next time. The driver in number 39's driving experience is very stable, and the destination is also very enthusiastic to help us inquire and pay attention to the place of assembly. It is a very comfortable journey. Little need to improve is that there is no said beforehand 12 hours before the driver in number 39's contact way, small false alarm, but the driver arrived on time. Very good driver, very polite, arrived on time to meet us, very safe driving, arrived on time, a good experience. The next will call the car again. Our order will be returned to Cebu from 2 o'clock at the Oslob, quays at the dock of the Blue Water Sumalan Island Resort. When returning, please stay at the Samala Shrine and visit the famous cathedral for about 30 minutes. The driver pauses in the parking lot next to the parking fee, it seems to be 50 php, and our passengers are out. When we arrived in Cebu, about 5:30, we were thinking that the driver would charge us 400 php more for a stopover point, or a timeout of 450 php. As a result, the driver said to receive 450 php. It is also very reasonable. At least not 2 items are all collected. For your reference, the driver's elder brother was on time to pick us up to Oslob. We were hungry in the middle and wanted to buy a drink and food. It was also very good for us to help us find 7-Eleven. We also bought a bottle of drink and asked the driver to drink it. It's really a good service attitude. The driver's brother is very comfortable with the whole ride, and it's safe and fast to send us to the hotel. The customer service staff reacted very quickly. Any questions can be answered promptly. The driver who came to pick us up was also very good and arrived on time. On the return trip, I proposed to eat local food. The driver in number 39's elder brother took us to a stall for a local person. It was very local and good. This service is highly recommended. The driver is very punctual and the car is very comfortable. It takes less than 3 hours to return to Cebu City from Oslob. I really recommend that you can buy it on day, and you can avoid the hardship and trouble of taking public transportation. The driver was on time and the car was very comfortable. It took less than 3 hours to get back from Oslob to Cebu City. I sincerely recommend that you purchase it on day. This will save you from the hardships and troubles of mass transit. The driver is on time and is very nice. It is highly recommended to go to Oslob whale watching companions to choose this, time flexibility, reduced travel fatigue. The 4-point driver was on time in the lobby and we were very kind to my trip. I was very cooperative and would take the initiative to help me ask how to buy tickets and so on. It was a good choice.